Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to add VPN in Chrome browser on PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. And after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to extensions. Then from extension, make sure you go to visit Chrome web store. So click on that, and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here where you have extension, click on that, and then you will be taken right here. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the search extensions and theme. Then right here, type in VPN. So I'm going to simply choose the free one right here, free VPN for Chrome by one click. So click on that, and it's going to open up like so. You can see the number of rating of this particular VPN, that's 8,000 plus. Then the number of users of this VPN is 8 million plus users. Then you can simply scroll down and read details about the VPN extensions right here. So you can see this is 4.6 out of 5.1, which simply means that this VPN is great VPN. You can read details about what you get when you add this VPN to your extension. So the key feature of this VPN here is 1,500 plus servers in 32 countries, unlimited bandwidth and traffic, strictly no logs policy. Your data is never tracked or stored. Cross-platform support, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Smart TV, routing and Linux, advanced encryption, including custom military-grade protocol, sports, location times and browser languages, etc., and then 24/7 customer support. Now, for you to add the extension to your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on Add to Chrome, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Add Extension. So here you go. The extension has been successfully added to our Chrome browser. Then for you to be sure, just come to the top right here, click on here, and you have the extensions right here. You can simply pin the extension to your task menu, bar menu right here, just like what you see right here. So each time you want to use the extension, simply click on it, and it's going to load up like so. Then from here, you can unlock any of the country that you would like to connect with. So if you want to connect to US, Canada, Netherlands, UK, and Estonia, German, and etc. So you can simply select on any country you want to connect with. Then from their free version right here, you can see forever free, which is $0. And what you get under their free version here is data privacy protection, unlock any website, video streaming is not possible, unlimited VPN time is not possible, number of devices just one, and the available country, which is just one. Now, for you to make use of this VPN, when you install it on your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here. After you have pinned it into your browser, click on it and you have it this way. Then you can simply choose a country that you want to connect. Let's, for instance, I want to connect to France. Then I'm going to simply click on France, and then I'll click on, and it has been fully connected, just like what you see right here. And if you want to disconnect, come down below right here and click on disconnect, and you are disconnected. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add VPN to Chrome extension, and how best you can use VPN with your Chrome extension browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, please give it a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.